So, sir, this is my report in basic transformation, translate, rotation, scaling. So, modifying the position, orientation, size, or shape of geometric object is the aim of fundamental transformation in geometry. Translate, moving, rotation, turning, and scaling, resizing are example of this transformation. They are necessary for activities like modeling physical phenomena, creating computer visuals, and examining spatial correlation in a variety of disciplines including computer vision, robotics, and engineering. So, ang translation po is nagpapalipat ng isang bagay mula sa ibang lugar patungo pa sa isang lugar, at kaya pang baguhin lahat ng words gamit lang po ang translation. So, ang rotation naman po nagpapaikot at nagpapasalin ng isang bagay sa paligid na isa itong tinatawag na center ng pag-ikot. Ang scaling naman po is ang pagsusukat ay nagpapabago ng sukat sa ibang bagay. Pwede palakihin or bawasan ang mga sukat ng bawat isa, and maaari ding maging pare-pareho, pantay-pantay ang sukat nito o di pare-pareho ang sukat po nito. The next po, sir, is the transformation of complex movement. So, ang transformation of complex movements ay complicated motion of deformation that are too complicated to be fully captured by simple transformation alone, are what complex movement transformation is intended to model and imitate. Combination of translation, rotation, scaling, and shearing are used in motion, including bending, twisting, and morphing. When it comes to realistically representing dynamic forms and motion, complex movement transformation are essential in domains like medical imaging, biomechanics, and animation. So, ito ay ang pagbago ng isang bagay na ginagamit ang position, orientation, o hugis ng isang bagay or na gumagalaw sa isang paraan na context ng math or physics na pwedeng magbago ang isang larawan na number, kasama dito ang pagbabago kasama ang translation, sukat, at iba pa. At kasama din ang combination na kadalasan na ginagamit para sa paggalaw. The next po is advanced transformation perspective. The process of representing three-dimensional things in a two-dimensional plane with realistic depth and distance perception is akin to perfection, akin to how people perceive items in the actual world, is known as advanced translation, and in particular perspective translation. Perspective transformation causes lines to converge toward a vanishing point, making object closer to the spectator, look larger, larger and those farther away appear smaller. Accurately simulating these effects requires altering the coordinates of the items in the skin. 1-point perspective. In this style, objects are depicted as truth skins from single point, typically by use of parallel lines disappearing toward a single horizontal point. 2 points perspectives, parallel lines in each direction converge toward the corresponding vanishing points to depict object as truth viewed from two distinct locations. 3 points perspective similar to 2 points perspectives but with a additional vanishing point above or below the horizon, allowing for a more dramatic view and designed from below of above. Perspective transformation is crucial in fields such as art, architecture, art, virtual reality, and video games, as it adds realism and depth to the rendered skins in establish the creation of immersive and visual appealing environments by accurately portraying the relative size and position of objects in the skins.